Why, hello there. I'm Funtime Freddy. This is my attachment bonbon. And she is not much of a talker. She usually only talks to me when I'm trying to make a new friend, but that barely ever happens with the new night cards. Usually, most of them just pass out. I haven't ever seen them wake up. Well, I really don't know why they're sleeping for so long, but I put them in the scooper room. We only need one more for Edward. He's really, let me just say that he's not a really nice, animatronic. He got cancelled, this incident. I probably shouldn't to tell you about it. Well, I really don't know about anything like that. About Heather, but I know a lot of stuff about Baby. Oh my gosh, she's a really scampery one. Well, she's guiding you around, that's okay too. You just wanted to make a new friend. So, I hope you have fun here at Baby's Ice Cream Parlor.